Hey guys, so the Nothing Phone 2 is scheduled to launch on July 11. At this point we know almost everything about the Phone 2 except for camera details and pricing. But that's not gonna be the case for too long as a new leak has revealed the detailed camera specifications of the handset. According to this tipster, the Nothing Phone 2 will have a 50 megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor. It's a big jump over the Sony IMX766 lens which is found in the Nothing Phone 1. We have seen the Sony IMX890 sensor in the OnePlus 11 and it offers flagship level performance. However, the ultra-wide camera remains unchanged, which is a 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor with EIS. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 sensor. The image processing will also be improved as well, so with the new upgraded sensor and improved image processing, the Nothing Phone 2's camera will offer great photography experience. Meanwhile, the Phone 2 has been spotted on Geekbench with last year's flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The device tested on Geekbench has 12GB of RAM and it runs Android 13. The rear design of the Phone 2 will make it stand out from the rest with glyph LEDs. There's barely any difference in the design language and the Phone 2 looks almost identical to the Phone 1, albeit is a slight change in the glyph interface. The Nothing Phone 2 will have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It is confirmed to pack a 4700 mAh battery with 33W fast charging and 15W wireless fast charging support. The Phone 2 is likely to be priced between Rs 42,000 to 43,000 in India. So that is all for this video and let me know what you guys think about the Nothing Phone 2. With that said, thank you for watching, subscribe if you like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.